Fire safety and fire warden training. It's a legal requirement for all organisations to have at least 2 fire evacuation drills every year. For nurseries, childminding agencies, local authority may insist on every month or maybe every term. The idea of this is to get the children and new members of staff used to this procedure. Fire evacuation drills should be carried out quietly and controlled. The laws surrounding this, which are basically health and safety laws, is the Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005. This particular regulation replaced 97 different regulations throughout the whole country. It identifies the responsible person, and the responsible person is responsible for all fire prevention and fire evacuation drills. That person, the responsible person, will also have 2 fire marshals. So in the case of one being absent, the other takes over. And then as volunteers, there will be fire wardens. Now, a good fire warden, to my mind, is like a good sheepdog. The people you're evacuating are sheep. It's your job to get them out of the building by the shortest and safest route, get them to the assembly point and keep them there. When you're working in childcare, your main priority is not yourself, but the children in your care. You must make sure everyone's accounted for. In the drill itself, you can turn it into a game for the children. So if everything's done quickly and quietly, at the end there can be maybe a prize, or just maybe saying, well done. Don't forget, children like to be praised. The fire safety regulations identify the different types of fire, different classes of fire, and also the different extinguishers we can use. A Class A fire, for example, is any flammable material. That could be wood, paper, furniture. If it can burn, it's Class A fire. So to deal with the Class A fire, we have a choice of 1 or 2 extinguishers. There's either the water extinguisher, red in body, white writing, and this has water which is squirted out under pressure. Or we can use a multi-purpose foam extinguisher, which is a red body, beige label. So we need to look at the different kinds of extinguishers. So you need to have a look at the fire evacuation drills. Also the fire risk assessments, which under the Management of Health and Safety at Work Regulations 1999 must be reviewed at least once every year. So you need to make sure you've got the right fire extinguisher, the right kind of extinguisher for the right risk of fire.